Maya, it's not working. My mega storm is just a mega breeze. I want a real storm.
Careful, Alex. To make a real storm, you don't need more fans. You just need to understand air pressure. Imagine that air is like a crowd of people. When they get hot, they want to spread out and run around. We call that low pressure. Can you guess what happens if cold, heavy air crashes into that hot, running air? Do they have a dance party? Not quite. They start to spin. If they spin over land, they create a tornado. But if they start over a huge, warm ocean, they grow into a hurricane.
Oh, I get it. If I add water to my fans, I'll have a hurricane in the living room.
No, Alex, stop. A hurricane needs hundreds of miles of warm water to get its energy. Your bowl is just making a mess. So, a hurricane is like a storm that drinks the ocean? Exactly. It's a giant engine powered by warm, wet air. Give me some super facts before the fans blow me away, Maya. Fact 1. Tornadoes are much faster, but hurricanes are way, way bigger. No way! Fact 2. The center of a hurricane is called the eye, and it is actually perfectly quiet inside. Fact 3. Tornadoes usually last only a few minutes, but hurricanes can last for weeks. Tornadoes spin fast and hurricanes are wide? Both are big storms with science inside. Want to see something even louder? Subscribe and see why thunder is so loud.